I want to talk about VideoMine. Is this VideoMine really a legitimate online business? I want to look at some of the features of this website. Now, all we know is that this very site will give you a lot of money, and they also use referral earnings to give you more. They have two categories of business. They have the affiliate and MLL. But the truth about this very site is that it's not different from all the other Ponzi schemes that came to Nigeria. It's not different from Rackstally. Neither is it different from the popular MMM. If you look at the website critically, they don't have much to tell you about the company. All they care is you go refer people and also pay your 2,000 naira to have a coupon. Now let's look at the about us of this website. They will give you a long English stories. Will not bother you reading. Now let's go to the contact page. As you can see, the contact page, look at what is just there. The contact page, they give you only a number for you to call them on WhatsApp. You join them on Telegram, you join them on Facebook, and you can also subscribe to their channel on YouTube. Well, there is no anybody that you're dealing with here. And this website have been registered just last year, October, and the domain name will expire the same October of 2022. So this website actually promised to give you a lot, but from looking at the whole thing, it's not different from other Ponzi scheme that came to Nigeria and scammed us. Just like MMM. If you look at it properly, like the MLL, it's about referral. You bring this person, then you have something. You bring in another person, then your money keeps on doubling. But the truth about it is that this is a typical example of how MMM runs their business. Though they claim that you watch a video, yes, but the way in which their business is being run, they cannot sustain. VideoMine cannot sustain all the subscribers that are rushing into their technology. Why? Because upon signing up, you're going to have 1,400 as a bonus. There is no business that will give you money for free. And the simple task in which you're going to be doing, it has to be constant, and you have to be online. You have to watch videos, and sometimes even if you want to cash out, there are reported cases already. Some people have placed their request for cashing out, but the truth about it is that they have not gotten any of this. My curiosity makes me to sign into this very website. I purchased my coupon from a vendor, where is he? On WhatsApp. Yeah, this is the guy. I purchased my coupon from him, and he informed me that actually he has nobody that he's dealing with as his superior. He's just doing this out of curiosity too, so that is nice. But we should know that the NDIC, the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, have warned Nigeria severally on such Ponzi scheme. But we Nigerians don't usually believe in our government. We don't believe in what the financial expert always say about these online Ponzi's. The truth about it is that they only have vendors which they interact with and sell their coupons for, in order for the vendors to resell it to members of the public. Now, these are some of the vendors' names that you can buy your coupons from, and it usually come up with different, the website usually come up with different Google ads, which means they are also getting money from Google ads, which is nice for the people that owns the website. This is a typical Ponzi scheme, which there is no doubt is not going to last, and we are just waiting for the time in which it will be announced that VideoMine is no more working in Nigeria, just like MMM or Rockstally. So let's see exactly how these guys are running their business. They are running their business based on terms and conditions. They don't have much of an office for you to see them or to meet them and discuss more business. You're trading online, you're transacting online, everything is online. And one of the biggest platforms of communicating with them is through their vendors on WhatsApp. This is one of the vendors. Look at it. Yes, this is it. And this is also another vendor. Where is he? Look at him here. Okay, now this other vendor gave me some website. If I want to make my 2,000 naira payment, I will move on. It says VideoMine ebook and license coupon 2,000 naira. If you click select, it will take you the payment site. You go to, this is a typical pay stack payment system, okay, which you can use your MasterCard, Visa card or VAF card in Nigeria to purchase the coupon from him. All this have been done online. Now, you don't have any person that you can hold accountable if you invest in this business. The inventors are so careful because they know Nigerians will not put in much money, and they decided to sell their coupon for only 2,000 naira. But if you calculate 2,000 naira times 100, or you calculate 2,000 naira times 1,000, it's a lot of money. And this is how they usually have some money for now to pay the old investors. But certainly it's just a matter of time. VideoMine will certainly become a thing of a past, like Nigeria or Rockstally. So my advice is, if you're trading here, you should be careful and you should do it wisely. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.